Ini itu masalah sih. Terus good afternoon all. Am I audible, man?
Screen is stuck.
Yes, the screen is not visible.
Is it audible, man, to some extent?
Yes, sir, it is audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Till here, any doubt is there? This is what we learned, na?
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but S bar only, no? Remember this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Clear? Mod S is
Clear.
a number. Followed this? Agreed?
Yes.
Agreed, sir.
Do you agree with this? And this is what we learned, na?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes.
1 minute.
Yes.
Suppose it is plus here, it will be traveling along.
Minus Z direction.
Completed, sir.
Say posted one question, see.
It's like that.
Shall I turn this?
Third option, no, sir.
Hmm?
That's the answer. Third option. Third option.
Third option.
Option C.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes.
I sent another question, see?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Option A.
Hmm?
Option A, sir, for the problem you sent just now.
Mhm. See, okay, that means the wave is traveling like this, no? This is E vector. What is this vector? E vector, no? Perpendicular to this, which vector you have?
B, sir.
This is B vector or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now he says that at some point Z1 E is 0. E is 0 only, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Again, agree? Now, in a way, what is the distance between these two?
Z2 is
You have waves in 10th class, huh?
no, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Hopeless.
No, sir.
Then what are you doing? Now? This is lambda by 2, no? That means here lambda by 2, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
V equals F lambda, no?
Yes.
This is 3 into 10 power 8, no? Find out lambda. Find the frequency is asking. No? Find out. Which option is still?
Option C.
Hmm?
Option C.
Option C. Am I right?
Sir.
See another question I have sent. Got the question?
Yes, sir.
Now E bar is in which direction?
P cap direction.
So B bar must be along what?
That's
Huh?
Minus.
minus
Minus that.
No, sir. Z.
K.
My
P
K,
cap
K.
direction.
So which option C? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Any answer? You received the next question or not?
C, sir.
Hello?
Received. UE equals UB, sir. Option C.
You have proved that, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. What is option? Understood this?
Yes.
You're noting down the questions or not?
Yes, sir.
Noting
Noting
down
down.
the
Is it clear?
clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the option? He's asking do you agree with this? Any doubt?
No, sir, no,
No, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Let us move on to next chapter. Nothing but wave motion. What is a wave actually? See, wave is nothing but suppose they are the particles, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now if you pull this particle is pulled like this, no? The other particles are also pulled. Why? Because they are bonded, no? When you are pulling one particle to this
Yes, sir.
level, because of the bonding, the others also will be pulled. Now you can see that this is a location, no? Now if you join all this, there is one shape, and it's one disturbance only, no?
Yes, sir.
Originally the portion is like this. Now the portion has become like this, no? So that means there's a disturbance or not? The
Yes,
disturbance
sir.
from which position? From mean position. This propagation of this disturbance is what we call it as a wave. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
That's why the particles are not bonded. We cannot create a wave, no? Understood this? See, now these particles which are here, when you lift it, you can go like this. Again, the particles will come to the mean position, no? But they cannot stay at rest. Again, they may go on oscillating, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Again, the particle will come like this. Only thing is, here the particles have a tendency going. Now the particles will try to come down. Again, it comes to this position. Again, that means the disturbance is going like this, no? Am I right
Yes,
or not? Clear?
clear. Sir.
The wave is any disturbance from normal or equilibrium condition. Suppose you disturb a wave like this. Suppose you have a disturbance like this. It may be like this also. Suppose you create somehow you disturb a secondary issue. Then this should go on propagating like this. So these are all disturbances only. Understood this? So what is a wave? Is any disturbance from normal equilibrium that propagates without matter won't be transported. Remember that here the
Yes,
particles are staying there only up and down. The particles will never pass from it will go from equilibrium to extreme, again come back to equilibrium. But they will not get displaced permanently from their equilibrium position. Understood this?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Hello? Tell me. Understood this?
Yes.
See, wave once it is created, it goes on, no?
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? You cannot have this amplitude, wavelength, all this for a particle, no?
No, sir.
You can only use for this only for a wave. Understood this?
Yes.
Next. See, suppose this is some screen. You are keeping an obstacle here. Now, if light is a particle, then the particles should hit here, no? This is light, no?
Yes.
They agree with this? This should be the case, no?
Yes.
Yes.
But so this can be explained. How can you explain this? So this is a screen, this is an obstacle, no? Now you can see that you can see some light here also, no?
Yes, sir.
So now you can see if you consider light as a wave, then you are seeing, you are able to explain this property. Follow this?
So,
Yes.
If it is a particle, there should not be any light in the shadow zone. If it is a wave, there will be light. Okay, this phenomenon of existence of wave even in the shadow region is called as diffraction. What is it called? Diffraction. Encroachment or spreading of waves around the edges of apertures, or shall I turn this?
no, that's
Minutes.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute can you show the previous page?
Which previous one? This only, no?
No, sir, this one.
Before that, nothing is there, no? Same thing I wrote here. Right. See, suppose there is a hole here. This is a screen. Aperture means small.
Mm.
Now, if light is a particle, then the light, you should have light here on, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes.
But in reality, what you are seeing, do you ever see, if the aperture is small, especially early morning, if you see window, sunlight will come, no? You will be seeing light is spread like this. Did you ever observe?
So,
Yes, sir.
That means you can see that there is a light in the shadow zone also, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes.
That means the encroachment of light into regions of shadow zone is called as diffraction. Understood this?
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now you can
Yes,
see diffraction can be explained only if we due to what? So diffraction is possible only with wave, no?
Yes,
Wave.
sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So you see diffraction of some EM wave. That means it must be a wave definitely. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So diffraction is possible only with waves.
Wave.
So that which differentiates a particle and wave is phenomenon of
Diffraction.
diffraction. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See. That means you keep a metal sheet and electrons are made to incident. You can see, suppose it's a sheet, no? This is the screen. You can see some electrons even. Actually, there should not be any electrons, no? But you are seeing that some electrons are hit like this, for example. There should not be any electrons behind this, no?
Yes, sir.
But we only electrons should be hitting only here, no? There should be electrons here, no electrons here. But we have seen that some electrons are coming here also. So this proves that electrons are being diffracted by metals. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
This is a metal sheet and it's a group of electrons. Strictly speaking, this metal sheet should stop the electron if it is a particle. But we are seeing that electrons are here, okay, well and good. Because they are not stopped. But here they are stopped. There should not be any electron. We are observing some electrons even in this region. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Remember this? Also, you call it a de Broglie waves. No, in chemistry, you come across a thing. No, Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, if you take a string like this, some of your friend catch here, you flip it, then a wave is generated now.
Yes, sir.
Then your hand will feel that jerk or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means this disturbance is carried along the string now.
Yes.
So agreed that jerk is nothing but some momentum is given to your hand. That means some energy is there now.
Yes, sir.
Agreed. Your hand is jerking means your hand is getting some kinetic energy. That means the wave should be giving some energy to you, no? Am I right or
Yes.
not? So
Right.
that means here energy is transported along the string. This is called as one-dimensional wave. Okay. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now if you throw a stone, please see, this is the surface of water. Suppose here some object is there, say cork, some floating object. You throw a stone here, this cork will be moving or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
You keep a cork, any object, all this after some time they will also get disturbed, no? Why?
Yes, sir.
Because when it hits the water, is suppressed here. So you'll be seeing that the water waves will be moving. Did you ever observe? Like rings, it will be shown.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what is this? A plane, no?
Yes.
So this is called two-dimensional wave, and this is called a ripples. What is that called? Ripples.
People.
Waves on the surface of water. Okay. Okay. Now when you are talking, a person beside you will hear, backside fellow will hear, around you anybody are there. Suppose another fellow is there at the top, okay, above you. For example, you are on the ground floor and you are talking. And just above you, another fellow is standing on the first floor. He will listen your voice now.
Yes, sir.
That means anywhere a position is there near to you, they are hearing the sound. Similarly, you switch on a light. In any position, you will be seeing the room being illuminated now.
Yes, sir.
That means, what are these waves called? Sound or light. Or what? Three-dimensional.
Dimensional.
Understood this? So this is 1D, 2D, 3D depends upon the mode of propagation of energy.
Energy.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Should I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, so when we throw a stone in water, can we say
Hmm. Can we?
water is wave when we throw a stone?
The wave, not water is a wave. Water is a medium for creation of wave. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
See, remember, here only that metaphysics comes. When a person dies, what you will say? Suppose Subbarao died. You will say body of Subbarao, you will say that is Subbarao.
Uh,
Sobara, yeah.
Body of Subbarao. Agreed.
Yes,
That means Subbarao is different from body, no?
yes, sir.
yes, sir.
And you'll see this is my brain is aching, my head is aching, my hand is like, my legs are paining. My you are using, no? That means you and your body are different or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Your body is one of the means for you to survive in that. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So just like how a house needs repairs after some time demolishing, so whenever your house is not clean, it is full of diseases, means not suitable for living, you leave that. So we say the person is dead. That means that person left that body and is going to enter some other body. It may be anything, not necessarily it should be a human being. That is only if we say God and all. Followed, there is something that is called you. That you is traveling from place to place, entering into different bodies. You may be a plant also, understood this? You may be snake or anything. So remember that here water is a medium for generation of wave, for waves to travel. String is a medium for propagation of a wave. So wave we cannot say wave in a string, but we cannot say string is a wave. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So water, waves on surface of water. We cannot say water is a wave. Understood this or not?
Understood.
Hmm. I told you once, no? Something is too good, we are calling as God. Means 0.000 bad thing is also not there in that. Okay, it may be anything. We call it as God. For you to enter into that domain where only good is there, okay, you should be 100% good. So when you are not good, you are not allowed there. When you are not allowed there, you need something like Corona needs some body, no? So you go on entering into some body. Suppose I have entered my body. If I do all good deeds, then I'll go into the domain of good. Otherwise, I'll take another rebirth. Understood this?
Yes,
So
sir.
so our body is a means for happiness as well as sorrowness. We suffer from this using this body. We have happiness using this body only, no? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Followed. See that you is a very typical thing. Basically, it has a mind and senses. Agreed? The
Yes, sir.
mind will be provoking you with what? The first what will do, no? The mind, the senses will be taking the signals from environment. The senses, for example, your nose is one sense. That will be smelling something. That will trigger a signal to your mind. Something is very spicy, I want to eat. Understood this?
Yes,
That
sir.
you should be and control that mind. Otherwise, you are yielding to the mind. Understood this? Your
Yes,
mind says, your senses will say, let us take some rest. Okay, that goes to mind. That you should say, no, 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 you should work. That's all. You are the boss. For your development, you should control your mind. Once you, but mind will be receiving signals continuously from senses. It is you have to control. So for example, I'll give another example. When you are sleeping, you'll get dreams, no?
Yes.
In the
Yes, sir.
dreams, you'll be moving, no? Did you ever observe?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
That is only metaphysics. That means you are wandering. That means you are not in your body at that stage. Followed this? You are
Yes.
wandering around. Understood this? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is what mind control is, that only. Meditation, all that same. Meditation is nothing but controlling your mind. But that state usually we cannot go. We cannot reach that. You can reach that if from birth onwards you are exposed to that environment. Understood this? Suppose I am born in some forest. For example, my mother gave birth and she threw me in the forest. What happens is some or other animal will be around me. I'll be behaving like that animal only slowly. So that is how I'll be getting uncivilized person I will develop. Understood this? That is only we call it Tarzan, all that, no?
Yes, sir.
So but we were born in a place where we were prone for temptation. From childhood around us, we are having many temptations. At that stage, we don't know how to control our mind. By the time we reach some age, we have the technique to control in mind. The problem is the techniques are known, but the methodology is known, but it cannot be controlled because already we reach, our senses are out of control. Now we can't do anything. No? Understood this or not?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Understood what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
So wave is some disturbance. It needs some medium. Or for example, electromagnetic waves doesn't need any medium. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All these religions or whatever people say, it is everything. The central idea is be good. That's all. Nothing. Unfortunate thing is religion has also become one tool for discussion. So these are all what we are saying is there is something science. Remember, in dreams you will be fighting. In dreams you will be feeling that you are got IIT. Do you observe all this?
Yes,
You
sir.
will get good dreams, bad dreams. All these are nothing but your thoughts. They are stored. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
That's what after modern physics you have metaphysics. You read metaphysics now is not there in your syllabus. If you read, you'll be knowing what is actually God, all that. Then you'll be having a different idea towards society. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
That's what inspiration. Somebody gets IIT, I'll get IIT is one nonsense. You know that? You're aware of that?
No, sir.
Somebody gets IIT, you'll get IIT. Any sense is there in that? X got IIT by joining that thing. I'll also get it if I join there. Is it possible?
No, sir.
See, this is fact actually. Fact and fiction. This is today only, no? Your senior, okay.
Yes, sir.
LN and VM says not correct. Sir, I calculate today advanced key has come. Okay. Following is my score. What is this? Physics, chemistry, maths. Highest is what?
Physics.
Maths, chemistry. Paper 2. Highest is what?
Physics.
Obviously, highest total will be highest in this. Okay. Expected rank this time is okay. Frankly speaking, I spent a whole drop year studying only maths and chemistry. Studying maths and chemistry more than physics, but still got more marks in physics. More weird this, I got more marks in a tough paper. Actually, this year physics paper is regarded as very tough. In that, he got more marks. See, why I am showing just happy but not satisfied. Why I am showing it, I told you long back, memory based one, you'll forget, man, you can't do. I was telling you from beginning. Logic is there only, it will help you. Because final exam, you'll be under tension. Now. Under tension, everything will be vaporized. Followed? So you'll be remember only in the logic.
Yes.
This is what I am saying. So learn with logic that you won't do with that. You'll memorize. Then you'll blame everybody in the world except yourself. Understood? If you don't have that thinking, no, this knowledge you're getting is waste. You can't do anything. You cannot apply them. Man. Mugging will not just for reproduction. Why you are required when already computers are there now? They do better reproduction, faster pace also. No? You load something, that song it will be delivering 1,000 times, 1 lakh, million times also. No? That can reproduce better than you know. Why you are required for a job? So mechanical way, they require a medium for the propagation. Otherwise, see, you have seen, no, this is the medium particles, no? You disturb this, immediately this moves, immediately this moves, this moves, this moves. So this disturbance is carried like this, no? Why they are carried? Because of the force between these atoms, no? Do you agree
Yes.
with this?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason I always tell to know what is your physics, discuss with your friends in other institute, you'll be knowing, man. You won't do that. I can also give some formulas, no? Is it? Actually, if you after finishing waves again go to EM waves, you'll feel very comfortable. But why I finished that is after AC, EM wave, that electricity section is closed. So this is separate. Now waves, optics, modern physics is different section. Understood this? You
Yes.
have mechanics is one section, man. Heat and thermal is another section. Electricity, electrostatics to EM waves is one section. Now waves to end nuclear semiconductors is one section. Understood this?
Yes.
Do you agree or not? If there are no forces, the particles won't rise like this, no?
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now you observe the media, why these oscillations are taking place? Because of what? Two factors. What is that? The particles are inert to move from its equilibrium position. No?
Yes, sir.
They don't want, but you are applying a force and they are pulling. So that means one, they should have inertia. Understood this? And
Yes.
another property is elasticity. Due to that property, it comes back to original position. No?
Yes,
So
sir.
the particle inertia and elasticity are responsible for propagation of mechanical wave.
Mechanical wave.
Understood this?
Yes.
Inertia and what? Elasticity.
Elastic.
Due to inertia, what you will have? Due to inertia, which energy you will have? Inertia is nothing but mass, kinetic energy. Due to elasticity, what energy you will have?
Potential energy.
Potential.
Energy.
Understood this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear?
Yes, sir. Here.
Density, mass is there and there will be density, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir. No doubt.
See here, lot of theory is there in this wave. Slowly we will develop. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right, then we'll continue in the next class. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Complete this till here and
Completed, sir.
Completed. Thank you.
Have a great day, sir. Bye, sir.
bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.